make a healthy meal prep that fits all in one pan. It's chicken, sweet potatoes, onion, and Brussels sprouts. So girls, what's our first step whenever we're gonna deal with food?
Wash our hands.
Okay, these are my helpers, Harper and Charlotte. So we've already washed our hands, and with the sweet potatoes, I already cubed these in small pieces, but here's our sweet potato. You cut it in half first, and then we're gonna cut it in half again, and half both of those sides. So we've got pieces that look like this. And then we are going to cube them. So we'll make 1, 2, 3 cuts. And we end up with pieces that are about this size. Girls, what do we use to season the sweet potatoes, the Brussels sprouts, and the onions?
We use salt.
We use
olive oil.
And
Pepper.
and
Salt.
and
Garlic.
that's right. And then for our chicken, we cubed the chicken. We removed any excess fat, and those are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And we used a 1/4 cup of sugar-free barbecue sauce. You can use any brand that you like. For the onions, we took the skin off and we chopped the top half and the bottom half. So I'm left with a half like this. And then we wanted chunks for this. So all I did was slice it diagonally. And you will end up with pieces that look like this. And then for our Brussels sprouts, we chop off this little end, and then we just cut it in half. So they end up looking like that. All right, girls, so for a balanced meal, what do we need?
We need
Protein,
carbohydrates,
and
fat.
That's right. So our healthy fat was
Olive oil.
Right. And then what was our protein?
Chicken breast.
Yes, and what does protein do for you?
It builds up your muscles.
That's right. And then our healthy carb is
Energy.
sweet potatoes. That's right, Harper. They give you energy.
Yeah. They give you energy.
And what can you do with energy?
You can run. You can ride your bike. You can play with your dog.
That's exactly right. Yep. So we've got everything we need here, and then of course we always want to have some vegetables with every meal that we eat. So we're going to bake this, and then we'll show you how to divide it for meal prep. All right, our Southwest chicken meal prep is all done, and this is what it looks like. Nice source of lean protein, plenty of non-starchy vegetables, and some healthy carbs. Hope you enjoy.